Did you know there's a quiet window every night when your brain becomes especially receptive to repair? And here's the surprising part. It's not during meditation, mental exercises, or even while taking supplements. This golden window happens while you sleep. Even more amazing, after 60, your brain doesn't stop repairing itself. It just becomes more selective about the signals it responds to. In other words, what you eat, when you eat it, and the quality of your sleep matter far more than sheer willpower or effort. In today's talk, I'm going to show you how to turn your nightly sleep into an active repair session for your brain. We'll focus on 3 specific fruits, the exact timing to eat them, and simple habits that align with your biology, not against it. By the end, you'll know how to support memory, enhance neural repair, and wake up feeling sharper, even after 60. Why sleep is your brain's secret repair time. Most people think the brain rests while you sleep, but that's only partially true. During deep sleep, particularly slow-wave sleep and REM sleep, your brain activates essential systems it clears metabolic waste, reinforces memory circuits, and repairs neuron membranes. This process is powered by the glymphatic system, a waste-clearing system for the brain. Sleep-dependent neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to adapt, grow, and strengthen connections. Surges in growth factors like brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Here's the catch after 60. These systems become less efficient unless you support them properly. Memory decline isn't usually about one missing nutrient or a single bad habit. It's the result of years of cumulative inflammation, oxidative stress, and reduced cellular repair. You might notice it as slower recall, difficulty forming new memories, mental fatigue that lingers, even after a full night's sleep. Here's the good news. These are not signs of a failing brain. They're signals that your brain is asking for better inputs. And that's where diet, timing, and sleep quality come in. One of the most overlooked tools for brain repair is fruit, but not just any fruit. Certain fruits contain polyphenols and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants. Natural sugars that cross the blood-brain barrier. These compounds support your brain while you sleep, influencing insulin signaling, reducing nighttime inflammation, enhancing the chemical environment needed for memory consolidation. Today we'll break down 3 fruits that research consistently links to improved brain cell integrity, memory performance, and sleep-related neural recovery after 60. You'll learn not just what they do, but why timing is more important than quantity, and a simple nightly protocol you can actually follow. The goal isn't to overwhelm you with nutrition advice. Instead, I'll give you high-leverage tools that work with your biology. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to turn sleep into an active repair session for your brain, rather than just a period of rest. After 60, one of the biggest challenges your brain faces is oxidative stress. Here's what happens. Neurons constantly generate energy. In the process, they produce reactive oxygen species, ROS, unstable molecules that can damage cell membranes, proteins, and DNA. Over decades, this oxidative load accumulates, contributing to memory lapses and slower cognitive processing enter polyphenols. These naturally occurring compounds found in fruits like blueberries, blackberries, and cherries are powerful neuroprotective agents. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that older adults who consumed polyphenol-rich berries had measurable improvements in memory and neural signaling. But here's the secret most seniors don't know. Polyphenols do more than neutralize free radicals. They enhance synaptic plasticity, the ability of neurons to strengthen or form new connections, which is fundamental for learning and memory. Think of synaptic plasticity like maintaining a garden. Without care, pathways overgrow or decay. Polyphenols act like nutrients that prune, strengthen, and fertilize the garden. This allows memories to form more efficiently. Actionable tip. Eat 1 or 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries or cherries before bed. This small habit provides enough polyphenols without causing a sugar spike that can disrupt sleep. During slow-wave sleep, your brain performs digital housekeeping, clearing waste and reinforcing circuits. Polyphenols reduce the oxidative burden neurons experience, making this process more efficient. Have you noticed how some people swear by a nighttime smoothie or fruit snack? This is not coincidence. The compounds they contain are biochemically tuned to support neural repair. Pro tip, combine these fruits with a small protein source, like a handful of almonds, to further stabilize blood sugar and maximize repair. After 60, insulin sensitivity naturally declines. This isn't just a metabolic concern. It directly affects memory consolidation during sleep. High nighttime blood sugar can increase neuronal inflammation, disrupt slow-wave sleep, reduce BDNF, which is critical for memory formation. Here's what research shows. Consuming small amounts of low glycemic fruits about an hour before bed can enhance insulin signaling rather than overload it. Examples: kiwi, plums, or berries. A study in Nutrients found older adults who ate kiwi before sleep experienced faster sleep onset, longer REM sleep, and better overnight memory retention. Think of it like fueling a nightly construction crew. Your neurons work hard to rebuild and reinforce memory circuits. A carefully timed source of glucose acts as the material they need. Too much sugar, worrying chaos; too little, worrying slowed repair. Actionable tip: eat one small kiwi or a few slices of plum 30-60 minutes before lying down. Pair with a small protein source like almonds to stabilize blood sugar further. Ask yourself, have you noticed your focus or recall feels sharper after a restful night compared to a poor night's sleep? That difference is partly due to what your brain had to work with during its nightly repair session. By providing low glycemic fruit at night, you support memory consolidation, enhance sleep quality, and subtly reduce age-related cognitive decline. After 60, your gut microbiome undergoes shifts. Beneficial bacteria decline, inflammatory strains increase. This isn't just about digestion, it affects cognition, memory, and mood. Here's the exciting part. A healthy gut produces metabolites like short-chain fatty acids that cross the blood-brain barrier and modulate neurogenesis, formation of new neurons, synaptic plasticity, neurotransmitter production. Certain fruits act as prebiotic powerhouses, feeding these beneficial bacteria. Examples: apples, pears, figs, rich in soluble fiber which resists digestion in the small intestine and reaches the colon. Fermentation produces butyrate and other metabolites that reduce inflammation and support neuron survival. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found older adults consuming high-fiber fruit diets improved cognitive scores over 6 months compared to those with lower fiber intake. Think of your gut as a hidden brain garden. Fibers act as fertilizer, allowing beneficial bacteria to flourish. These bacteria produce compounds that travel to your brain like messengers. Without them, your brain receives fewer signals to optimize memory consolidation. Actionable tip: include one small apple, a few slices of pear, or a handful of figs as an evening snack. Consistency matters more than quantity. Ask yourself, have you noticed how digestion and mental clarity are connected? A happy gut often means a sharper brain, better mood, and improved recall. This is microbiome-mediated neuroplasticity in action. Your brain operates on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which regulates alertness hormone release, neural repair. After 60, this rhythm often shifts. Sleep onset is delayed, deep sleep phases shorten, brain-body communication weakens. Research in Nature, neuroscience shows circadian misalignment reduces slow-wave sleep, the critical phase when the brain clears waste and strengthens synapses. Think of the brain like a factory operating on a schedule. Misaligned shifts. One, slower repair, accumulated errors. Proper timing. Chew, peak efficiency, and optimal neural maintenance. Fruits can support this rhythm indirectly. Sugars and bioactive compounds influence peripheral clocks in the liver and gut. These clocks communicate with the central brain clock, helping stabilize slow-wave sleep. Actionable tip: align fruit intake and bedtime with natural light-dark cycles. Keep a consistent sleep schedule to maximize nightly repair. Studies show older adults with aligned circadian rhythms retain information better, exhibit sharper executive function, and experience less cognitive fatigue. Timing matters as much as the inputs themselves. Key point number 5, antioxidant defense. Oxidative damage accumulates over decades, impairing neurons and reducing synaptic plasticity. Antioxidants act as the brain's defense system, neutralizing reactive oxygen species before they can cause damage. Fruits rich in antioxidants include blueberries, blackberries, pomegranates. Contain flavonoids, anthocyanins, vitamin C. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows older adults consuming high antioxidant fruits have improved cognitive performance, better attention, enhanced verbal memory. Antioxidants also boost mitochondrial function, providing energy for neurons to repair themselves. Think of oxidative stress like rust forming on an engine. Over time, performance slows. Antioxidants act as a protective coating, preventing damage and repairing minor wear. They also combat neuroinflammation, protecting neurons from chronic, low-level inflammation that accelerates cognitive decline. Actionable tip: make antioxidant-rich fruits part of your nightly routine. Supports neural repair and memory consolidation while you sleep. After 60, your brain's repair mechanisms respond more sensitively to cumulative lifestyle inputs, polyphenols, neural protection, low glycemic sugars, insulin modulation. Prebiotic fibers, gut-brain metabolites, circadian alignment, optimized sleep antioxidants, oxidative defense. Research in Frontiers in Neuroscience shows older adults combining these elements over weeks experience measurable improvements in memory recall, executive function, and sleep quality. Think of this as restoring an old building. Antioxidants, scaffolding and protective coating; polyphenols, reinforce structural beams; gut metabolites, optimize internal wiring; circadian aligned sleep, schedule for repair crews. Even small, consistent support each night produces long-term improvements. The brain doesn't seek perfection. It responds to well-timed, biologically relevant inputs over time. Memory lapses and cognitive slowing are not inevitable. They are signals that your brain needs high-leverage support. By integrating polyphenol-rich fruits, low glycemic fruits at night, prebiotic fibers, circadian alignment, antioxidants, you create a nightly environment where neurons recover, strengthen, and grow. Sleep becomes active repair, not just rest. Your challenge: tonight, pick one fruit and one timing adjustment from today's talk. Observe how your focus, memory, or clarity changes over the next week. Small, consistent habits compound into long-term benefits. Over time, these practices can transform cognitive performance, mental resilience, emotional regulation, quality of life. The science is clear. The brain after 60 is still adaptable, repairable, and capable of growth when given the right environment and consistent support. If this video inspired or informed you, like, comment, and subscribe, not out of obligation, but as a commitment to your brain, body, and life. Together, we can apply science to daily living, making every night an opportunity for repair, growth, and lasting mental clarity.